Okay, so you're looking to know why you never take out an investment loan for your first house. Well, number one, an investment loan has a lot of cons to go with it. So in this video, we're going to explain what those are and why it's best to take out more of a conventional loan. So before we get into it, hit the like and subscribe button to get more content just like this. Number one, the investment loan is what they call a hard money loan. Now, the name is very funny, I get it. But this hard money loan is used by investors. And what the investor does is he takes this loan and he uses it to buy homes that need work, homes that need rehab. And so he's buying them below market value, typically anywhere from 25 to 30% below market value. And so he uses the hard money loan, which has a higher interest rate. The interest rate typically is anywhere from 10 to 15%. Also, it's interest only, and they do 1 year terms. So they do have options to extend into the next year. Another good thing about this loan for an investor is that there is no paperwork involved. All you need to show is your credit score. You don't have to show your income. You don't have to show pay stubs. You don't have to show taxes. You show your credit score. You present the deal to you present the deal you're looking to buy to the bank, and the bank will say okay, right? Long as the deal is 30% below market value. Now, the issue with this deal is that, in particular for a first-time home buyer, is that you do not know how much construction is going to take to finish the job. Now, you may say, I'll hire a general contractor to do the work for you. Makes sense in theory, okay, but in real life, even if the contractor is a family member, he can rip you off, right? That contractor may not have experience to do the job well. Also, you don't know where the money's going really. The contractor can tell you one thing and then do another thing. Also, you don't know the quality of the work of the general contractor because you don't know what to look for when buying or renovating the house, right? Once you know what to look for when renovating a house, you can better identify what general contractors to work for. So in my opinion, it's always good to work with an investor that's doing fix and flips and go through that investor through that entire process so your eyes can get more acclimated to what to look for when renovating a house. It's critically important. This is the number one reason why investors lose their homes. It's because of this point here. They're constantly putting money into the rehab, losing money because all different type of issues come up that they did not foresee. Meanwhile, they're paying taxes, paying a mortgage, and paying for maintenance of the house on a monthly basis. Then when that 1 year come up, now the bank is like, you got to pay up. The loan is due, and they're like, I ain't got the money, and the house isn't done. So then they lose the house. You do not want to be in that position. It's better to buy a house using a conventional loan, put down 3.5% or 5%, figure out a way to show 2 years tax returns and showing at least $30K a year, right? $30K per year, you can offset a 2-family house, a 3-family house, a 4-family house, the rental income from the other apartments, use that into your debt to income formula, and you will be able to qualify, right? You will be able to qualify. Also, you don't have to do the rehab. There won't be no rehab that you'll need to do because the house will be, majority of it will be renovated. The only thing you may need to do is a paint job, maybe some new cabinets, and you're good to go. This is the type of house you want to get into. It'll give you some experience, and it'll show you how and what to look for when you want to do your next rehab, because in that first house you have, you're going to have to do projects. Regardless of whatever you say, you're going to have to renovate something. You may have to do the floors, so you have to go and get the flooring, hire the guy to put the floors in. The guy may mess up, so you're going to do your research and you learn as you go. But if you want to buy your first house, go conventional. Never take out an investment loan for your first house because you're going to lose money, you're going to lose a lot of time, and you're going to stress yourself out. So on that note, I'll see you soon. Peace and love. Take care.